Dear friends, every young boy has a journey, has to write a story of his life with full of dreams, full of possibilities, full of setting a new life. And they start with big passion of graduation programs, master programs, PhD programs, doctorate programs. And suddenly, if one morning you meet an accident, before you start this journey, you are in a shock. The story of Ashfaq is one of that kind. The young boy of Mauritius, around 20 years old, dreaming for the life, had a severe bike accident and he was unconscious. He had a bleeding, severe, complicated injury of the leg, which as an emergency was taken a decision to amputate the leg. All his dreams shattered. Parents, you can imagine the shock, the pain, the suffering they may have. It is beyond. And the life suddenly collapsed. The dreams stopped thinking, and future, what was a dream, has become a complete dark life. Ashfaq was tried to save his limb in Mauritius by best of means, but ultimately at the end of 7 days, they declared we need to amputate his leg, otherwise he will be in septic shock. In the same condition, the boy was flown from Mauritius to India at StemRx. The story of Ashfaq is inspiration for a young generation to understand life doesn't end where we try to end. It has got big opportunities. You need to think beyond what is possible. He thought beyond what is possible in Mauritius. Yes, it can be done. And they took a decision of StemRx. His mother and they flew down to Bombay. The story will talk to you that he walked back on the same leg, same food, same plane back to the Mauritius, to his completion of dreams which he dreamed once upon a time. StemRx is such a place wherever the health story ends at any of the best places in the world, the story starts back here and your dreams come true. Let's see Ashfaq.
Ahmad Ashfaq Sukha. I came all the way from Mauritius, and then I have met with an accident in Mauritius, and I was admitted at the clinic there. They have done a surgery on the legs, and then they have said that we have to wait and see how the legs responds, and then we're going to treat you accordingly to that. And then in the next few days, the leg was not looking very good. I was having fever a lot, there was infection and so on. And then they say we could not do anything about the legs. Okay, and we are about to we will have to amputate the legs in the next 1 or 2 days. So I was admitted at the clinic there, and then they have taken a look at the legs. We have done surgery, and then after 1 or 2 days I was having fever, and then there was infection on the legs. The doctor says that the treatment here we won't be able to do anything to treat the legs. We will just have to amputate the legs in 1 or 2 days more. And then one of my friends knows Dr. Nabil, which is in Mauritius, and then Dr. Nabil has suggested us to come here in India for treatment. And then we have done multiple arrangements to come here, such as I came here all the way on a stretcher on the plane. I could not walk, and I could not walk for 3 months. Okay, and arriving here, I have done multiple surgeries on the legs. I have done 3 surgeries on the legs here. I have done a debridement, I have done bone grafting and skin grafting also. And then I was given cells by Dr. Mahajan 3 times on the leg, and now it's been great. I was a very sportive person. I used to play football 3 to 2 times a week, and then hearing a news like that, you will have to amputate your legs, you won't have your legs for the rest of your life. It's very difficult. Now I feel very good because there has been improvement on the legs. The leg is safe. There is no longer infection that will lead to amputation, that will lead to severe injury again. The leg has been saved. The treatment is going well. The healing is very good also. The healing has done completely. There is little dressing that we will have to do to keep maintaining the position of the legs, and now I have nothing to worry about because I know that the legs is good now, and then it will get better and better. It feels great because I was not walking. It's been 3 months since I did not take a step from my own. I was using a stretcher, and then I have been pushed on a wheelchair, and then I have used a walker, and now I'm walking. It's been a great journey so far. it feels very good to walk again. So I would like to thank him for everything that he have done for me. From the day I have come, from the every beginning, when he look at the leg, he says, I'm going to make you better, I'm going to make you walk 100%. He has given the guarantee that I'm going to walk back home, and then he has completed his promise. I want to thank him for everything that he have done for me. He has searched for the best specialists, for doctors himself, a lot of doctors when involved in the operation, best doctors in India, for me to be able to walk again. So I would like to thank him a lot.